Hello students, dear 8th class students, welcome to today's maths class. So the topic is surface areas and volumes, which is 14th chapter in our textbook. This is the 14th chapter, and in this chapter we are discussing about cube and cuboid, two solid figures, two 3D figures, cube and cuboid. So I gave the formulas, three formulas for each. For cube, we have lateral surface area, total surface area and volume. For cuboid also, lateral surface area, total surface area and volume. So I gave the total 6 formulas and even we completed the first exercise using these formulas. Now starting the second exercise, students, no new formulas, same formulas, but theory questions you have to read and understand. The concept you have to understand. See here, exercise 14.2. All of you open your textbook, students, because theory question you have to read and understand. All of you open your textbooks. 14.2. First question. Read the question. Find the volume of the cuboid whose dimensions are given below. Direct question. See here. Length, breadth, height. Eight point two, 5.3, 2.6. Here length is 8.2. Breadth symbol is B. Height symbol is H. Length is 8.2, breadth is 5.3, height is 2.6, and what is the question? Find the volume. Volume of this cuboid. V is equal to, I gave the formula for volume. Very simple formula, direct formula. Length into breadth into height. Length is 8.2 into breadth is 5.3 into height is 2.6. Length into breadth into height, 8.2 into 5.3 into 2.6. That's all. Multiply this 3. Let us consider the decimal afterwards. So first 82 into 53. Four three four six into 26. Decimal afterwards. Multiply, students. Do it. See the simplification. So the answer is 112996. Decimal 1 digit, 1 digit, 1 digit. Total 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Decimal. So this is the final answer, and the dimensions are in which units? Meters. They are in meters. So if units are dimensions are in particular unit, area will be in square units, square. Volume will be in cubic units, cube. Cube means meter cube. This is the answer. What is the volume of the cuboid formula? Length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. 8.2 into 5.3 into 2.6. That's all. Write off, students. Write down. Same way you do all. Five meters, 4 meters, 3.5 meters. Five, 4, 3.5. Students, length is 5, breadth is 4, height is 3.5. Volume of the cuboid formula, length into breadth into height. Length is, do it, 5 into 4 into 3.5. 35 into 4, 140. 140 into 5, 700. But decimal after, before one digit. So before one digit. That means 7. After decimal there is no significance for 0 in the last. So 70 meter cube. Complete it. Do the third one. Write down the third bit and do it. Do the third bit, students. Same formula, same process. Third bit is 4.5, 2.0, 2.5 meters. So this first one is the length. Second one is the breadth. After decimal there is no significance for 0. So after decimal, no need of writing 0. If after 0 something is there, then we have to write. But our last number 0 means we should not write. Length is 4.5, breadth is 2, height is 2.5. This is the formula. This is the formula, students. Length into breadth into height. Length is 4.5 into breadth is 2 into height is 2.5. 45 into 2, 90. 90 into 25. 22, 50. 90 into 25. Before one digit decimal, before one digit decimal. 2 digits. 1, 2. 1, 2 decimal. So 22.5. Last you can, 0 no need. Last number 0 after decimal means no need. So meter cube. 45 into 2, 90, 90 into 25, 2250. So one before one digit decimal, before one digit, 1, 2 decimal. That's all. Complete it and go to the second problem. Students, this is the second question. Find the capacity. See here. Capacity of a solid figure is, in other words, it is the volume. Remember this. So generally, when in a cubical, in a cuboid box or cube shaped tank or box, if something is kept in that, water or milk or anything is kept, so then we use the word capacity of the water or capacity of the tank. What is the capacity? We write, see, whenever you see the tank, the word is written capacity. Capacity means volume of water or volume of any liquid which can be stored in the tank. Capacity means volume of water in the tank. Volume of water in the tank means water occupies the shape of the tank. So that is nothing but volume of the tank. Whenever how much water can be stored in the tank, if such word is there, how much water can be stored in the tank, or what is the capacity of the tank, in both the questions simply find the volume of the tank. So capacity, whenever capacity is asked, you have to find the volume. So instead of directly using this word volume, they used the word capacity. What is the capacity of the tank? Capacity of the tank is nothing but volume of the tank. Second question. First bit. 3 meters 20 centimeters. 2 meters 90 centimeters. 1 meter 50 centimeters. 3 meters 20 centimeters, 2 meter 90 centimeters, 1 meter 50 centimeters. Read the question, students. Read the question. Read the question. So, length is 3 meters 20 centimeters. 3 meters 20 centimeters. There is a confusion because this is in meters, this is in centimeters. Write the total question in centimeters or total question in meters. Any one change you do. Any one change. Total in meters or total in centimeters. Suppose if you change it into centimeters, 3 meters means each meter 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 3 meters is 300 meters. See, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So length is 3 meters 20 centimeters means 3 meters 300 plus 20, 320 centimeters. Directly I wrote in centimeters. Because 1 meter, 1 centimeter, you change the total into meters or centimeters. This can be also written like this. 3.2 meters, like this also written. 3 meters and after that centimeters you write point that. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 3 meters is equal to 300 centimeters. 300 plus 20, 320. Write down. Breadth 290, height 150. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. 100 plus 50, 150. 2 meters means 200 centimeters. 200 plus 90, 290. So volume V is equal to length is 320, breadth is 290, height is 150. Right on, students. Find length into breadth into height. But question is asked in meters only, so I will explain that. Multiply these three. So see the simplification, students. I did the problem in centimeters only, but question is in meter cube and liters. That is the question. Write down. Write down. But question, we got answer in centimeter cube, but question is find the answer in meter cube. Find the answer in meter cube. So to convert the answer into meter cube, here you can start the problem in meters only. Put the decimal here, put the decimal here, put the decimal here, so that you will get in the meter cube. That also I will explain. Second bit I will do like that. So because you should know the conversion also. Suppose if it is given in centimeters, how to convert it into meter cube. See here, students. How to convert the centimeter cube into meter cube. Now I am getting the answer in meter cube. So to convert the centimeter cube into meter cube, so remember this. 1 meter cube is equal to 1, 2 units, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs. 10 lakh centimeter cube. 1 meter cube is equal to 10 lakh centimeters cube. So divide this by 6 zeros. The answer is in meter cube. To convert the centimeter cube into meter cube, divided by 1, that is 10 lakhs. 1 meter cube is equal to these many centimeter cube. Centimeter cube is equal to meter cube by like that. So to convert the centimeter cube into meter cube, divided by 10,000. So that 1 0 cancel, 1 0 cancel, 1 0 cancel, 1 0 cancel. 2 zeros means put the decimal here. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. See here. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. What about these 2 zeros? Decimal will be kept before 2 digits. So 13.92 meter cube. This is the answer. 13.92 meter cube. Right now, divide centimeter cube by 10 lakhs. So that answer will be meter cube. Write down, students. You can write this, use this word anywhere. You write capacity means nothing but volume. You write this one also, 1 meter cube is 10 lakh centimeter cube. But again the question is, liters also. First we got the answer in centimeter cube. Dividing by 10 lakhs, we got the answer in meter cube. But again we are asked to find in liters. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. Remember the students. So therefore, capacity of the tank is equal to, we got the answer 13.92, but convert it into liters. 13.92 multiply with 1000. Remember this important conversion. But actually in the question itself it will be given. But here unfortunately it is not given. You remember this. So 1 meter cube is 1000 liters. So multiply the answer with 1000. We will get, multiply the answer with 1000. We will get the answer in liters. Liters. So multiply with 1000. This into 13.92 means 2.2 cl. 13.92. Remove the decimal, we will get 100. If you remove the decimal, we will get 100 into 1000. 13,920 liters. See, lot of confusion. First we got in centimeter. Conversion between the units is, anyway, everywhere it is difficult because conversion is little confusing. Because I changed the total problem into centimeters, I got the answer in centimeter cube. But answer is asked in meter cube. So centimeters cube into meter cube, divide by 10 lakhs. 1 0, 1 0, 1 0, 1 0 cancel. 2 zeros, put the decimal here, 13.292 meter. But again, second, in that same question, the answer is asked in liters also. So multiply with 1000 to convert the meter cube into liters. Meter cube answer into liters, multiply with 1000. You know how to multiply these two. So to multiply, first remove the decimal. To remove the decimal, after decimal 2 digits, no, 2 zeros. So into 1000, 0 0 0 0 cancel, 1392 into 10, 13,920 liters. This is the answer. Like this, you try the remaining bits. Otherwise, tomorrow next class I will teach. So I gave 3. 1 meter cube is 10 lakh centimeter cube. 1 meter cube is 1000 liters. And capacity and volume both are similar words.